Hello, lovelies. Today I'm going to be turning this changing table into something new. Stay tuned. So excited. I got this changing table from OfferUp for only $10. What a find, right? I didn't have to paint it or anything. I had it for some time and now I'm ready to flip it into something new. Before we get started, I would like to introduce you to my friend Julia at the Mug Life DIY. Please go check her channel out. Tell her KraftyLeeny sent you. Subscribe. I'll leave her link to her channel in my description box, along with the playlist to everybody's Flippin Furniture for Flippin Furniture Friday. She hosts that every month with a new co-host to join her. On her channel, you will find her doing furniture flips, thrift flips, upcycles. She does it all. Very talented. You will not be disappointed. So, go say hi to my friend Julia at the Mug Life DIY. Okay, we're going to begin by using this piece of plywood that we had spared. Handsome Devil's assisting me. I will leave all measurements in my description box. We cut everything down. He cut some little pieces of wood for me for legs and put some braces on the bottom. And we added wood glue with using this Ryobi Airstrike Technology nail gun. I hope I said that right. But we nailed them in there, used some wood glue, and we have to add one more brace to the back of that. But we added the bottom so it wouldn't tilt. I've been wanting to add a shelf on here for a long time to make it a coffee bar. I've been using it already as a coffee bar, but I wanted to go one step further so I can add things to the top. But I'm telling you, using that Ryobi nail gun really helped, made things easy and sped things up. So that was great. You can find those at Home Depot. We also use this MH Ready patch. It's wood spackle. I know I talk funny. It's wood spackle. And we added some molding to the top on the edges of, see right there? We added some molding that I had extra around the house, and we just nailed it into there onto the sides. I'm getting tongue-tied, sorry guys. It was so easy. We just held it there, put some wood glue, held it, and pop, and we put some nails. Then we added that wood spackle right over it. Couldn't even tell. Let it dry overnight. Hardens beautifully. Then we went outside, and yes, I actually used a sander, everybody. My lovelies, I used a sander. I sanded my edges to kind of smooth it out some. And then Handsome Devil said, "Let me take over. You're taking too long." He has no patience. But I absolutely love the way it turned out. Nice and smooth. Couldn't even tell that we cut things and put things together on there, and it just turned out beautifully smooth. So now I'm painting it outside with Rust-Oleum chalk paint linen color. So I'm going to use this fabric from Dollar Tree to line my shelves. But before I do that, let me show you. We did add the extra piece of wood there on the back of the shelf for some more bracing. So right here is part of the changing table. There and there is the changing table. And then right above it is the piece that we added to the shelf, and it's flushed kind of to the top of the changing table, and it kind of gives it more brace. Oh, I fell in love with this. Can you believe it? It was a changing table and I converted it into a coffee bar. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. I always say that, right? So I just put my chickens on the shelves, and I like to use instant coffee. And I put that on the second shelf with some tea bags, and on the upper shelf I put the mugs so guests or I can or whoever can grab a mug. And I put all the little goodies on top for, you know, tea biscuits, coffee biscuits, and I just put little things up there. And I have to have my cinnamon because I like putting cinnamon in my coffee. Do you guys like putting cinnamon in your coffee? I don't know, or am I just weird? But I absolutely love this. I put some straws in the middle and some plastic spoons in the middle of where my mugs are. And then I like to have honey up there and some sweet supplements there. I don't know, I call it sweet supplements. I know I'm a weirdo sometimes. But I love it. I have my coffee bar to the right, and then on my left I have my lemonade stand. Absolutely love the way this turned out. Coffee and friends make the perfect blend. I love saying that. It's my favorite little sign in my kitchen because it's so true. So I don't have a big kitchen, but even if you don't have a big kitchen, I hope this inspires you to not throw away that changing table. Paint it if you have to. Fix it. It could be a beverage bar, a cocktail bar. It could be a coffee bar. It could be whatever you like. Just add a shelf. Come on. Flippin Friday. Flippin Furniture Friday. Thank you, Julia, for inspiring me to go and do something that's different for me. I converted a changing table. And this is the side of what it looks like. I'm absolutely in love with it. Well, thank you, lovelies, for visiting me today. I hope you enjoyed what I made for this Flippin' Friday. I love saying that. Flippin' Furniture Friday. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. I would love for you to be part of my KraftyLeeny family. Check out the playlist along with the host, Julia from the Mug Life DIY. Till next time, lovelies. Stay kind, be kind yourself and others. Be blessed. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.